Hey everyone, I'm Jackie, your Jackie of all trades, and today I got something in the mail. My new radiator. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this into your car. This is specifically for a 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse, but I do think that this also applies to any year between 2000 and 2005. Let's get started.
And it's nighttime, because just like with everything else, I procrastinate like hell. And I did not realize that the sun went down. I was really hoping to get a video with some daylight in it, but it is what it is. Let's do this frickin' repair, shall we? Jump the car up a little bit. Make sure to get a jack stand so that you don't hurt that pretty face of yours. Pretty self-explanatory. Just line up the holes with the frames and screw the bolts in. I wanted to include a visual just to give you guys an understanding of what's going on when I'm putting the radiator into the car, because I didn't get a good angle of that. As you can see, I've labeled the front of the car from the underside of it, and these holes that the lines are pointing to are where the bottom pegs for the radiator will fit into. And pretty much self-explanatory, yeah, you just fit them into the hole. Hopefully you're the one that removed the previous radiator from your car so that you know where these plates are. If not, you can get them online for pretty cheap, I think. So, these mounts the top part. Standard way is 4 bolts of 12mm size, but I had to remove a stripped bolt at one point, so I will be using a screw. And then we've got hose 1. I'm sure you guys know where it is, but just in case. Right there. Right above where the other thing was plugged in. This is that peg I was talking about. I'm just gonna get this hose in.
Once you've got the fans mounted onto the radiator installed into your car, both hoses attached to the radiator, the plates mounting the top of the radiator on each side, the connectors connected in all the right places, and last but certainly not least, the tube that connects the coolant tank to the radiator as well as that little metal cap, then you are finally ready to test your mechanic skills by starting your car up. Let's see if I did everything right. I don't mean to brag, but I'm getting pretty good at this. And I'm happy to say that now you can catch my videos every Tuesday. That's right, every Tuesday I will make sure to have a video up here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Please gently caress that like button if you did and you were watching Jackie, your Jackie of all trades. I'll see you next time.